ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delit Zahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Seminar for Nationals in Hamburg. Training on cooling and heating systems in Massawa. India approves $7.6 billion fighter jets purchase. And the 6th trilateral foreign ministers dialogue held in Afghanistan. Now local news. Mr. Johannes Waldo, chargé d'affaires at the Eritrean embassy in Germany, conducted a seminar on nationals residing in Hamburg on 17 August. Mr. Johannes highlighting the significance of such seminars in enhancing understanding of nationals on national issues and strengthening organization and unity, and called for reinforced participation. Mr. Tame Haile, head of the public and community affairs, gave an extensive briefing on the objective situation in the homeland. He noted that Eritrea, while preserving its peace and stability, is making a modest contribution in peace and stability in the region. Mr. Tohlou Labasi, coordinator consular affairs and public diplomacy, said the encouraging activities are being carried out in consular service and emphasized that further efforts will be made to improve them. The participants, for their part, expressed readiness to strengthen organizational capacity and participation in the national affairs. They also pledged to contribute in the Afambo boarding school project, which is being initiated by nationals residing in Germany. The Workers' Vocational Training Center in Massawa, in collaboration with the Ministry of Water, Land and Environment in the Ministry of Defense, has provided a 3-month training course in cooling and heating systems to 16 youth. Mr. Habtamaram Tesfa Mikael, representative of the National Confederation of Eritrean Workers, said that the trainees were members of the Ministry of Water, Land and Environment and Defense, and that 70% of the training was practical. Colonel Harif Sahaya, head of the Logistics and Defense Forces Training Center, noted that the training was highly important as well as supporting with technology, and he called on the trainees to practically apply the knowledge they gained. Engineer Robel Kubrom, head of the Chemicals and Wastes at the Ministry of Water and Land and Environment, underlined that vocational training makes the significant contribution to sustainable development and stated that similar training programs will continue to be organized. In collaboration with the Sudanese Al-Basir ophthalmology team, successful cataract surgery was performed on over 400 patients in ERi Hospital between 14th July and 18th August. Dr. Tsagazab Kflesgi, medical director of the hospital, said that patients who underwent surgery were those on waiting list and came from the subzones of Sanafe, ERi, Tsorona, Saganeti, and Foro. Mr. Alam Zakaras, Director National Blindness Control at the Ministry of Health, noted that in collaboration with the Al-Basir ophthalmologist team has lasted over 15 years and has made a significant contribution in terms of experience and sharing. Mr. Alam also stated that similar surgeries have previously been conducted on 12,000 nationals in the Amhara and Massawa and Karen. Ms. Solana Abraha, head of the staff members at the ERi Hospital, indicated that the surgeries were conducted for free of charge, rather. Straight ahead is our international news after a short break. Welcome back.